Welcome to Codexes2Gemini, open source, humans using AI to make books richer, more diverse, and more surprising. The repo begins with a gentle overview of codexes, then proceeds to install and quick start. Pip install or git clone into a venv, quick start using Python or with included Streamlit UI. The incantation is pip install Codexes2Gemini. The user can save PDF, docx, and text as persistent codexes. Up to 10 megabytes of text, or 40 million tokens. That is a lot. Les Miserables, used in the Google Gemini 1.5 paper, is 887,000 tokens. Let's zoom out to the big idea. Very long context input and output is an adaptive event for the world of books. Something that triggers a rapid radiation of new shape, structure, function, and style. In the years after Gutenberg, there was an explosion of diversity in the world of codexes, as publishers, authors, and designers innovated new types of codex and new parts of the book. The modern book embodies the contributions of 500 years of usability innovation from publishers, authors, and designers. Now let's look at how that turns into software. Dictionaries for system instructions and user messages in the Codexes2Gemini library provide a mechanism for incorporating the accumulated wisdom of book people into large context input and output. Here I've told the system that accuracy is essential to me, to capital R respect the emoji, as an evolution beyond the alphanumerics, and to follow my company's best practices. Identify structure of the book. Create a table of abbreviations, one of many tiring chores in long context editing. Recommend new parts of the book. Truth in Publishing TM Disclosure Eli Idiot. We set the output parameters, which are currently heavily constrained by short output contexts. You can work around that with looping and continuation prompts, but long output windows are the future. The system echoes back the context, prompt, and output requirements. Results are saved to the file system in Markdown, PDF, and JSON. Here are tongue-in-cheek results of 2 example prompts. As a publisher in an era where book reading is at risk, I think it's actually crucial to experiment with making complex material accessible. But this isn't hypothetical. Long context AI is useful in book publishing now. I use Gemini to add an index of technologies to a recent book. That's something new. I have published 7 books by Pepe Escobar. Gemini made me money this month with this proposal that sold rights in Bulgaria, Korea, and Germany. The future will be fascinating for book lovers, as publishers begin using tools like Codexes2Gemini that are natively fluent in long context applications.